Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Just a real quick video on my 2022 Mustang Mach-E behind me. I've seen some people do this on the forum. They replace the rear wiper, and let me show you real quick why. So hopefully you could see the dirty spot in the top of the back hatch. You could see that there's at least 2 inches of glass that the wiper is not reaching currently. And if you look at the wiper itself, there's some room, at least another inch or so that you can extend that wiper. So I've saw on the forum people are replacing the standard Mach-E rear wiper with a Ford Edge wiper, which is a 15-inch wiper. So I ended up buying a Bosch 15-inch wiper, and we're gonna see today if that makes an improvement. I left the car dirty on purpose so we could see the improvement in the wiping, and you can also see it from inside the vehicle. It actually blocks your view because you sit pretty high up, and it actually is in your view, the dirty spot. So today we're going to do a quick install of the rear wiper. So first thing, to remove the stock wiper, all you're going to do is pull out. You hear that click, and then it should come right out. Okay, removed it, and you can see how it fits in there in that little groove. So I'm gonna grab the new one. So the Bosch wiper is about 1.5 inches longer than the stock wiper, and of course it's gonna clean the inside more as well. But we're gonna see if it fits and do the install. Here's this little cover on the Bosch one that needs removed, and you can just pull these tabs and take that off. You're going to need to do that so it fits under the stock cover. Okay, just snap that right into place, and as you can see, it is longer and it's extending over, but it's not over the glass, which I didn't want. And what's funny is there's a mark on from the factory on my car for some reason. And that was always there, so this covers that, and it extends a little bit farther inward as well. So pretty cool. I think that's going to work nicely. It stays flush against the glass as well, so that's great. Let's go turn it on inside and see how it looks. All right guys, hopefully you can see that. I'm going to turn the wiper on. I'm going to actually give it a wash. Yeah, much better. Yep, it definitely reaches a little bit higher up, about 1.5 inches, like I said. So pretty cool little quick mod if you guys want to do that. I will put a link below for the Bosch wiper. There may be other brands, of course, but I just use Bosch. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more Mach-E videos, and I'll see you in the next one.